Hi guys, and welcome to my series of videos on web development career path on Codecademy. In this series of videos, I will show you all the content in this career path. So if you don't have a Pro enabled on your Codecademy account, you can stick with me and go through all the videos in this section. Or if you have a pro version or you want to sign up, you can do it, and then you can follow along, and maybe I can help you go through all the content and do all the assignments and exercises much easier and faster. As you can see here, this section or career path on web development is for those of you who want to learn front end and back end development, build and style interactive sites, communicate with web developers. Basically, you will learn HTML, styling a website, getting started with JavaScript, getting more advanced with design, JavaScript arrays, loops, and objects, building interactive JavaScript websites, intermediate JavaScript, learn the command line, learn Git, building front-end applications with React, one of the most famous JavaScript UI frameworks, JavaScript backend development. It's about Node.js and most popular Express.js framework. Then going through SQL and databases for web development, building a persistent API, and test-driven development with JavaScript. Those were the details. Let's click Get Started. It's an introduction video. So that was an introduction video about this series on web development path. Yeah, in the next video, we'll continue crashing the Codecademy web development path. Stick with me and see you guys in the next one. Bye.